Hi everyone, it's Paul, and today I'm bringing you a quick video in Unity3d on how to create a log file. Now, this is just writing a text file using C#. It's extremely basic. Usually I would recommend doing an XML file, which again is quite basic. You just need to do a bit of research, and I'll let you do that. Generally with log files, with text log files, sorry, I tend to do it in early development stages, just for testing, because sometimes I feel as if being able to read a log file is a lot easier than trying to read the console. The console is good for debugging and like rapid application development, but not when you're trying to get into the depths of a problem. What exactly is going on? Yeah, you can argue you could just do debug.log, called this method, debug.log, called this method, but it's good being able to see it in a text file. I don't know why, but then the argument also is this is mainly used on server development. So when you've got a server, quite a lot of games now have a standalone server where all the clients connect to the server. You don't always have like a console or a debug window open for your server, and quite a lot of the times you've just generally got log files that are created every day, and this can be as simple as just text files. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do this in Unity, and for this I'm just going to use the scripts, the very basic scripts I've already got. I started trying to make an account login system. Then I realised that I need to update my Visual Studio Unity, and you can't even see it because the window region bit is right here. That means that this probably won't see it. So I'm probably going to need to put where is it? Project settings. What am I looking for? I should have been done before I started. Preferences, that's what I'm looking for. External tools. Use mono develop. Use mono develop because Visual Studio is installing. There we go. Let's close, and which one is that? Yep, it should be the. Is it? That hasn't saved. Oh yes, it is. Login manager, because we don't need to go into the account registration. What my general idea here is just. Yeah, it's right. You can't see it. So let me just add that on top of the screen. So screen capture, and I'll take the mono develop, and I'll move it up, and I'll zoom in so you can see, and I'll just scroll down. So basically what I'm doing is I'm setting the initial references, which is finding the empty game object and the scene, and I'm calling my account registration method, my account registration class, which is calling the register account method. Now that just opens up a URL. So what we want to do is when this button's clicked, I want this to write to a log file and tell us that this has been clicked. So to do that, I'm going to create a method. Now this could be done in a class, and you could have every method doing it. That's the preferred way, but I'm just going to quickly do it in here. So void write to log file, and that's going to take a string called message. You could also set it up to take the file directory here, but we are just going to do it inside the method. So you want a using statement, using system.io.streamWriter, because we're writing, as you can see, it implements a text writer for writing characters to a stream. So we're going to use that. We're going to name it. What will we name it? Let's just name it log file, and that's going to be equal to a new stream writer with the directory of I could never get this right, but you need to. That @ sign basically means you don't need to have the escape characters everywhere, and I'm just going to put that on the desktop. So let me open it up, and how can I get the link for that? Users, Paul, desktop. There we go. Control C, and I'll put that in here. So now it's going to save to the desktop, and you also need to put the file name in here because I've got an American keyboard that decides to do that. So let's call it logfile.txt. Okay, so close off the using statement, open my curly brackets. What am I missing? I am missing another curly bracket. And then we're just going to take that log file, so log file that we created, and we're going to call the write line. Okay, and then here we're just going to pass it the message. So what we're doing is create a new stream writer called log file, initializing it as a new stream writer for the log file, the text log file that we've created, and then we're writing to the log file and closing it off with the message parameter that we set up. So once the button register has been clicked, we want to write to log file. This has been, so the register button has been clicked. So back in Unity, and now we need to disable that so you can see Unity. I don't know why it doesn't just record the screen. I want to don't maximize on play, start. Then we want to don't fill anything, just click the register button. It will go to the Thumbstick Studios homepage. If we close Unity, yep, I will add a new screen capture for the desktop. And then I need to maximize it up. As you can see, the log file has been created here. If we open it up, yep, just open it in Notepad, the register button has been clicked, which is great. If we click it again, it's opened up the home page, back to the desktop, the register button has been clicked, which is brilliant. Yeah, so that's how you can write a log file. Yeah, there's nothing else to it except that. No, I can't think of anything else you need. One more thing though, in this stream writer, if you do the comma and true, it will append the text file. So instead of overwriting it, I'll just show you that in play. So the file already exists. There is one line. Let's register and minimize everything. Log file. As you can see, it's now added. If I do it again, it will add another line. Obviously, you need to close the text file because it don't automatically refresh. And we've got a third line. So thanks for watching. That was creating a very basic log file. Yeah, there's nothing else to it. So thanks for watching. Leave in the comments any questions you have, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. But thanks for watching. Like, favourite, and subscribe. And goodbye.